What's going on, SkillsArt family? It's your brother Blas here at the SkillsArt Trading Academy, and today we're going to look for reversal patterns in the market. So let's get to the computer and let's start on some price action. All right, so here we are at a trading station. We're going to look for patterns within the market, and again, this is not 100%. This is just one of the tools for your tool belt, okay? This is another way that you confirm before you get involved in a trade. So let's get started. Here we have the Euro USD, very common pair to trade, very volatile, so a lot of people like this pair. And here's where we're going to start with simple ones, right? We see the market is going down here. It touches it once, touches it twice. This is called a double bottom. Here's a touch here, here's a touch here. It rejected it the first time, it tried it again, could not break price, so then it started going upward, right? Here we have a wedge. It's called a wedge because it's wedging within these two prices, right? So it keeps trying, it tries it up here, and then it breaks down. We've seen this trade before, a trade like this before on another video that we've shared. And this is a wedge reversal pattern. This is a double bottom. And since the market buys or sells, it goes up or down, you can find these on either side. So you can find the wedge that goes up and breaks down, and you can find it on the other way down. You can find that it's breaking down and then it breaks upward. Same thing with the double bottom. You can find a double top. Another very common one is a triple top or a head and shoulders. Here I marked it out. Here's the left shoulder, here's the head, and here's the right shoulder. We're going to move this out of the way so you can see what it looks like with just the price itself. Left shoulder. If you guys want to continue watching this video, subscribe to our website at SkillsArt.com. We have more content and exclusive indicators that will help you succeed in the markets. Until next time.